So we're just walking there now and hopefully get a good moped. Why do I look like the ghost? Oh. It's now Friday and we're just nipping out to go and rent a moped. We're hoping to go up to Pai tomorrow morning, stay there for around 2 days, stay in Chiang Mai for one more night, and then on Monday we've got our first flight and we're going to go to Laos. So hopefully we can get a nice cheap working moped today.
Currently stopped for food about an hour and a half away from Pai. We took the 1096 or around 1095 and it was possibly the worst road conditions I've ever seen. But yeah, we're just waiting for some food. We got some pad thai. What was the other one? Chicken and rice. Couldn't even finish it, but it was delicious. So that meal cost us 180 baht, which is £4-ish. Pretty decent to be fair. Four hours later, we finally arrived to our hotel. Not gonna lie, my butt is numb from the 4-hour ride. Because we went on the 1096 route rather than 1095. I don't know why Google Maps done that. We just followed it thinking it was gonna be quicker. But yeah, it took us 4 hours. But check this room out. And the best thing of all, aircon. So we're up at the Yun Lai viewpoint. We missed the sunrise because we set the alarm on the wrong day, but we managed to get a private viewing, which is quite nice. Thank you. So it took us around 15 minutes from our hotel, which was by the walking street almost, so yeah, not very far at all. And we're back in Chiang Mai. Got one more night and then going to Laos. So yeah. Just got aboard now.